The aroma from Grandma's kitchen, that delicate mix of love and culinary wisdom, holds lessons for those seeking to balance taste with thriftiness. In an era of fast food and convenience, diving into Grandma's budget, saving into Grandma's budget, savvy kitchen secrets may be the key to economical, wholesome home cooking. Here's an in-depth look at her 20 golden rules. 1. Buy in bulk. Grandma's pantry was a testament to the value of buying in large quantities. Purchasing items like flour, sugar, and rice in bulk can mean significant savings over time. Plus, bulk buying reduces packaging waste, making it an eco-friendly choice. 2. Embrace seasonal and local. Remember Grandma's summer peach pie or winter squash soup? That's because she cooked based on what was in season. Seasonal fruits and veggies tend to be fresher, cheaper, and brimming with flavor. 3. Waste not. Grandma's mantra was to use every bit. From turning stale bread into croutons to transforming vegetable scraps into nourishing broths, nothing went to waste in her kitchen. 4. Plan your menu. Ever noticed Grandma's weekly menu on the fridge? By planning meals around pantry items and weekly discounts, she could cut down on impulse purchases and reduce food wastage. 5. The art of preservation. Grandma's shelves, lined with jars of pickles, jams, and preserves, weren't just out taste. They were strategic. By preserving seasonal bounties, she ensured a stock of delicacies all year round. 6. Master ingredient substitution. A genius in adapting, Grandma never fretted over missing ingredients. Out of an item, she'd know just the alternative to use without compromising the dish's essence. 7. Batch cooking. Those large pots of soups and stews weren't just for big family dinners. Cooking in large batches meant leftovers could be frozen for future low-energy, tight-budget days. 8. Cultivate a green thumb. Even a modest herb garden or potted tomatoes can offer immense savings. Fresh, homegrown produce not only saves money, but also adds unmatched freshness to dishes. 9. Craft your own baking mixes. Those pre-made mixes come with a premium price. Grandma's secret. A large homemade batch of pancake or brownie mix ready to be whipped up. 10. The bread of life. Baking bread from scratch can sound daunting, but the cost-effectiveness and pure, preservative-free taste make it a rewarding endeavor. 11. Rethink meat. While meat dishes were a treat, Grandma often used them sparingly. Think stews, casseroles, or stir-fries where veggies share the limelight, reducing costs. 12. Slow and steady. Grandma's slow-cooked dishes didn't just fill the home with mouth-watering aromas. Using a slow cooker allows for cheaper cuts of meat to be transformed into tender, flavorful delights. 13. The forgotten art of foraging. Whether it's wild berries, nuts, or greens, nature has much to offer. Safely foraging can introduce unique flavors to dishes without costing a dime. 14. Store with care. Properly storing food, be it in airtight containers or in cool, dark places, can considerably extend its shelf life. This minimizes waste and means fewer trips to the store. 15. Potluck potentials. Community gatherings at Grandma's often meant potluck dinners. Not only did this spread out the cost, but it also meant a delightful array of dishes to enjoy. 16. Reinvent leftovers. Dinner leftovers transformed into next day's lunch or an entirely new dish. Grandma's magic touch made sure no meal felt repetitive. 17. Basics over flash. Gourmet dishes have their place, but Grandma's staples were often simple, basic recipes that were cost-effective and equally delightful. 18. Skip the exotics. While occasionally splurging on exotic ingredients is fine, building a meal around them can be heavy on the wallet. Grandma's tip: stick to locally available, versatile ingredients. 19. Discover cheaper alternatives. Chicken thighs over breasts or mackerel over salmon. Choosing the less popular yet flavorful options can save substantial amounts. 20. Sharing is caring. Engaging in community swaps or bartering was another of Grandma's strategies. Exchanging excess garden produce with neighbors ensured variety without any extra spending. The heart of Grandma's kitchen wasn't just in its delicious outputs, but also in the wisdom that permeated each choice. By revisiting and embracing these age-old strategies, we can enrich our culinary journeys while ensuring that every penny is judiciously spent. Here's to delicious, budget-friendly meals ahead,